So very good morning. So my name is Jay Kumar, working as assistant professor and placement officer in AVS College of Arts and Science, Computer Science Department. So today I'm going to explain about communication selection process. Okay. So what are the various kinds of communication selection process tests available in most of the companies? That's what today I'm going to discuss. So we have 5 important selection process. The first is what JAM, okay, and second is extempore, and third one is group discussion, and fourth one is debate, and last one is essay writing. So these are all the various communication skill test selection process that are available in most of the recruiters companies. So I'm going to explain the separate, so what are the expectations in each and every selection process. So if you take the first selection process, JAM, so it is one of the selection process in most of the companies. It acts as to identify whether the candidates having good communication skill or not. So what is the main expectation is, so HR will test only 2 qualities in this JAM selection process. The first one is they will test your self-confident level, and second one is they will test whether you are having a good communication skill or not. That is what they will test your sentence formations. So how to prove these 2 qualities in front of the recruiters, that means HR means. So if you want to prove you have a good self-confident level is increase your volumes. So how much you increase your volume, that much it shows you have a good confident level. And second is, if you want to show you have good communication skill to others, to outside, okay, make a lengthy statement. That is most important. Okay, don't struggle, give space between each and every statements. Okay, don't too fast, don't too slow. Okay, your words and your sentence, that should be very clear. So make a lengthy statement, so that shows that you have good communication skill. So these 2 qualities are the main expectations that most of the recruiters expert in JAM selection process. The expansion of JAM is just a minute. And second is extempore selection process. So extempore selection process, most of the recruiters experts, the same 2 qualities. They will test whether you're having a self-confident or not, and next is what you're having a sentence formation skill or not. But how the JAM selection process is entirely differ from extempore selection process is, so in JAM selection process, HR will give your own title. They will ask to prefer the title. You can prefer the title. So based on the title, you can present your skills. And in extempore selection process, HR on the spot give the title. So without any preparation, you should present in front of the HR. With the presence of mind, you should show you have a good self-confident level as well as you have good communication skill. So these are all the main difference between JAM as well as the extempore selection process. So next, I'm going to explain the group discussion. Okay. So today, most of the MNC companies that prefer group discussion as communication test, because so in this group discussion, HR will identify 3 qualities from your side. These 3 are the main expectation in group discussion at the time of interview. The first one is confident level, that is main important, and second one is your sentence formation, and last one most important is whether you're having a leadership quality or not. So these are all the main 3 qualities, main expectation at the time of group discussion you have to prove in front of the HRs. So how to prove these qualities? Very simple. So if you increase your confidence level, you speak loudly. That is main thing. And second is sentence formation. So without any mistakes, okay, so without any mistakes, without any struggles, make a lengthy statements without any grammar mistakes. Okay, single word answer is what? Not permitted. You make a lengthy statement, that is most important. So how much lengthy statement you make, that shows you have a good communication skill. And third one, if you want to prove a leadership skill, so you have to encourage each and every one in the group discussion. And also, group doesn't have a certain procedures. So initiation and conclusions. If you want to become a leader, you should be an initiator. And last one is what? Conclusion. You should give a good conclusion. The initiation part and conclusion part, don't give up these two things to any person. That is most important to prove that you have a good leadership qualities. And the next selection process is what? That expert, this selection process, debate. So how group discussion differ from debate is, so in group discussion you have a certain procedures, certain rules and regulations. Okay, positively you have to talk in front of the HR, you don't argue in the group discussion like that. But in debate, you have to oppose the other points. Okay, you can make your arguments. So this is the main difference. Okay, so in GD, the formal presentations, the formal communication is most important. No argument that allowed in GD, but in debate you have to make your presentation as argument. You have to prove that each and every second I have good communication skill, I have good leadership skill, I have more self-confident level. And last one is what? Essay writing. So in essay writing, what HR will expert is, they will give on paper. So within that one page, without any grammatical mistakes, you have to make a statements. So each and every statements without grammatical errors, you have to make the statement. That is what HR expert. Okay, if you're making any grammatical mistakes in that, HR will eliminate you. Okay, so these are all the various selection process, communication skill test selection process, many of the companies that will conduct. Okay, so let's discuss what are all the things, do's and don'ts in this communication test. Either it may be a jam or group discussion or debate, whatever it may be. What are all the main thing you have to do's and don'ts is, so give a clear eye contact to each and every person. Okay, so your eye should be in a 360 dimension. Each and every person you have to view. That is the first thing. And second thing, what information you are trying to convey in front of others, your body language should be teach that. Okay, it should be explained your each and every statements. That is most important. And last one is your sentence formation. Okay, and last one is your sentence formation. So again and again I repeat, your sentence should be very clear. Make a lengthy statement. Okay, that is most important, right? So these are all the main things you have to give importance at the time of communication test, right? So I will give the summarized report about today presentations about communication test selection process. The first one, it has a jam, and second one extempore, and third one group discussion, debate, and last one is what? Essay writing. So these are all the various types of communication test selection process that are available, and these are all the main thing what HR will ask at the time of interview sessions. Right. Thank you.